Good morning, guys. Happy Monday, everyone. Hello, guys. Hello, everyone. Long time no see. How are you guys? How was your morning? How was your weekend? Good morning, good morning. How to sign up? What do you mean? Hey, Sean, how are you? How was your weekend? Good morning, Daniel. Good morning. %50% of previous weekly range. See? Nice indicator, right? I just found one issue because it says time frame limit 1 hour, but when I'm on a forward chart, I still can't see this. I believe it's time frame limit only for kill zones, not for the rest of levels. My own levels, I mean Lumi levels. So I need to add another option here. Time frame limit for my own levels. Just like additional update. This trader weight. So, I was able to connect accounts this morning. I didn't trade yet, but was a bit confused with market maker. Yeah, go and ask questions. Hello, guys. Good morning, everyone. Hope this week gonna be better than previous week. Because previous week, I know, guys, it was tough. It was hard, and I'm gonna talk about it a bit later today. Because I don't have so much energy to trade this kind of price action. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Happy Monday. I hope it's gonna be happy Monday. I had brilliant weekend, yes. Spent time with my kids. And actually, I enjoy this because my kids, they were okay, Like, usually I am super angry by the end of the day because they don't want to listen to me. You know what? On Saturday and Sunday, they were okay. Yes, they were okay, which was a surprise to me. Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Let's try to kill this today. By the way, after this stream, I'm gonna stream on TradingView TV. If you're not going to up immediately, you'll be looking for shorts. I mean, yeah, smart. Yeah, I will talk about my performance from last week. I never hide this. I'm always transparent about this. We'll talk about performance from last week. We'll let you know, how my account... Yeah, Visa Mass. How my accounts are doing. And so on. Because, damn, last week I got so much depression after this price action. Gold, I would like to see higher. We talked about this last week. We want to see 47.40, but I'm not gonna trade gold. But nice move up. I was looking for long yesterday night, but didn't enter. It was kind of hard to engage. I want to see higher as well, but I'm not looking for a big move up just yet. I want to see move towards previous day 50% of Friday range and weekly open. So basically, I'm looking for a test of 76.90 for now, 95 maybe. So yeah, we will see. Overall, hard to say. And it's last week of the month. Yeah. I mean, next Monday gonna be last day of the month. But yeah, pretty much last week of this month. And I believe it's gonna be chop all week, honestly speaking. I mean, I like to steam with a mask. Like seriously, I'm gonna steam with a mask tomorrow as well, 2 days in a row. He get annoyed? I don't think he gets annoyed, to be honest. What I want to check? I want to check news. Exactly. You know, at least this week we have news. So on Monday, we're gonna have something at 2 p.m. today. Tomorrow we're gonna have orange folder news at 10. Wednesday will offer. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Should be good. Friday. We have speaker at 10 a.m. on Friday. Yeah, I believe Friday will be like nice. Yes, Sean, did you see like I posted indicators in Discord yesterday? Let me send link in the chat. So guys, I'm gonna send this link in the chat now. It's a TradingView indicator. So what it's gonna do, it's gonna highlight all key levels. I personally use. It's gonna be free. I'm gonna share now. It's okay. I'm gonna share now. I just posted this yesterday. Obviously, it was weekend, so I understand. So guys, link in the chat. So what you're gonna see there, you're gonna see your settings, basically how many sessions you want to see on your chart. 1, 2, 3. So basically for previous days, I want to have only one. It's gonna be saved as default. When you're gonna add indicator to your chart, time frame limit for kill zone levels and like not custom levels, but default levels gonna be hourly. I'm gonna add another option for custom levels because it seems like I forgot to do this. For custom levels, I need to add time frame limit as well. So over here, once you're gonna add indicator, you will see kill zones that I personally use. So you can have boxes if you want. It's gonna be highlighted as gray, but by default it's gonna be just black lines if you want to use as the rest of kill zone uses. Label is gonna be called like that, but if it's too long for you, you can just aim like that. If you want, for example, I want to have full name because like lots of people keep asking about like what this level means. Let me hide this one. Let me hide drawings. So I will just show you what we have. And let me open settings. A little bit to the right. Okay. So once again, if you want to like rename kill zones, it's up to you do this. I'm gonna send link in the chat one more time to add this to your TradingView. See this LumiTraders key levels. So it's personal level. That's levels that I personally use, guys. So you will see them every single day on my stream. So instead of asking me like Dasha which level I should use, you're gonna have this section and this indicator. I will add another option like time frame limit. So it's gonna show key levels. It's gonna show price. You can like uncheck this. You will see how it looks now. Loading. Actually lagging. No, it's actually lagging here. It should, 1 second. Yeah, it's a lag. Why doesn't hide? Okay, I'm gonna fix this. Display price, whatever, I'm gonna fix this. So I checked daily open today because it lines up with weekly open, looks ugly. So just basically overlaps. I hadn't checked this. Talking about display price, I will fix this, guys, later. You're gonna have daily open, weekly open, monthly open. You can rename this. You're gonna have my own levels. You cannot change them. It's gonna be by default, but you can like hide them. Equilibrium of previous daily range, equilibrium of previous weekly range, equilibrium of previous monthly range. New York midnight open, 9 a.m. open. So that's my own levels I use every single day. So it's very useful because like once again, people keep asking what levels I use. You're gonna have them here. Custom levels, so basically you can play with them if you want over here. Like at your own levels. I don't need them, so I added to my LumiTraders section. But if you have like levels that you personally use, you have 4 options here to add like opening price. It can be any open price, and 4 options to add like custom sessions. Like for example, you trade, I don't know, like I am silver bullet. You're gonna highlight this, it's gonna appear on your chart. equal highs and equal lows, you can like set amount of ticks, the difference between high and low. So for example, Asia high, it's not exactly equal highs, but if you're gonna, like, for example, set minimum tick or maximum ticks difference, 10 ticks, so you will see this. And like vertical lines, for example, where they starts, like an end, you can like put like that if you want. I'm gonna show you now. Just like it's gonna be 9:30 AM open line. See? Over here, in case you need this. So guys, what do you think about this indicator? Extend. I don't remember if I added this option. 1 second. You want to extend them to the right? No, I mean, I think I didn't add this option. I added to my SPX indicator. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Not now, after Steam. I will add this option. 1 second. Let me add to my notes. So, price label. Extend right. Basically options, right? I will add this. It's not hard to do. All right. Okay, guys, let's talk about my performance last week. You know, guys, I ended up being green this month on my funded accounts. I ended up being green on my funded accounts last week. But, you know, guys, I bought evaluations because I said I want to protect myself from over trading in this kind of price action, this kind of chop. And I'm not gonna lie, evaluations doing super bad. Like, super bad. Just, guys, it's super annoying because, once again, I'm happy at trading evals most of the time, simply because I know like how I ended up being like last year. I blew everything. So I basically making like small profit on my funded, like 300, 500 bucks, and I'm walking away. I'm not going to trade my funded accounts the rest of the day. So that's nice. So last week I took only one trade, red day on my funded. The rest was green. But evaluations that I bought 2 weeks ago and a week ago, guys, it's just wasting of my money because, once again, like I would say 2 weeks in a row, my evaluations just finish in red. I didn't blow them yet, but Epix evals and TPT evals, 900 bucks away from blowing. It's super annoying because, like, seriously, no matter what I do, like, for example, on Take Profit Trader accounts, all trades I took were red one. So yeah, evaluations doing super bad. Like, super bad. They are 900 bucks away from blowing these accounts. Once again, wasting of money. Buying accounts, blowing, blah, 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 annoying. But funded doing so good. So once again, my goal, once again, I know like the most important part, how you do this on funded, like, and live accounts, I know, but I'm talking about like overall performance, and I don't like performance and evaluations. Because I'm thinking like, what if I traded same setups on funded? Imagine like how bad it could be. So yeah, that's why I'm super annoyed, super sad about this. But yeah, so far I'm happy, like I'm building my funded accounts. Nothing like bad happened. Actually green this month and super green from July and June. So proud of this. But overall on evaluations, guys, no words. Annoying. Yeah, I'll go with straight to funded. You know, guys, my Tradify, my TPT funded, my Lucid accounts, they're doing super good. But evaluations, guys, once again, wasting of money. Like, just like wasting my money, seriously, on these stupid evaluations. Just wanted to share, guys. So let's see if we can bring the evals like up, because once again, some 50k, some 150k, and 900 bucks. Some of them like 1100 bucks away from blowing, not passing. Some Epix, I believe, 900 bucks away from blowing. So let's see if we can like make this green again somehow, but we'll see. My bias for I have no idea. Like, I'm not gonna lie, guys. Every single time when I say like I'm bearish and I just want to keep this in mind, I'm bearish, I'm bearish, I'm bearish, and I'm ignoring the rest of the chart. Like if it tells me bullish, I'm like, damn, we should sell. Guys, I'm not gonna have bias for today. If it's gonna go down, we will short. If it's gonna go up, we will long. This month, guys, seriously, just super choppy. I don't want to talk about like bias every single day because I have no idea. You keep following Apex evaluations. You know what? Same. Only this month I spent $3,000 on Apex evaluations. Dasha, it's okay. Relax. It's not annoying. Just wasting of money. But once again, who are we to give up, right? We're gonna kill this no matter what. No matter what, we're gonna kill this. You cannot find the indicator because I just share link in the chat. But yeah, guys, I like made a rule for myself. If I'm gonna blow this evals, I'm not gonna waste my money anymore. I will just trade micro and funded. Yeah, Daniel. Just super annoyed, like overall performance this month. But once again, like comparing with previous year, I'm doing so good. Doing so good. Let's hope to request some payouts this week on Lucid and TradingView, and we will be good. And we will be good. Don't worry. I love myself as well, so... Sean, you know what? I hate evals as well. I know why. I just talked with my friends yesterday saying like, it's way easier for me to trade funded than evaluations. And I'm not lying, guys. For me, it's way easier to trade, for example, live account, funded account, but not evaluation. Yes, I know. That's why, like, who are we to give up, right? So we do have SMT at lows. Let's see if we're gonna retrace up now. So I'm looking for retracement to this area over here. Almost perfect circle. Sorry, guys. Okay. Let's see what we're gonna get today. Oh, seriously, Daniel? Wow. Yeah, maybe like, Sean, like small profit also like helps. Like base hit, small base hit, and just walk away. Guys, once again, I'm looking for pullback to these red circles. Oh, I see. Wow. Well, hope it's gonna end good. Straight to funded. So I have straight to funded account with Lucid and TradingView. I wish Apex and Tech Profit Trader has this kind of option, but okay. Okay. So far I trade with Lucid and TradingView. I have 50k Lucid direct account. It's straight to funded account, 5 of them. And I have 5 Lightning 150k accounts. So yeah. Guys, link for indicator. 1 second. Oh. Link for indicator gonna be posted in 1, 2, 3 over here. Link in the chat for indicator for these key levels. So guys, looking for retracement to equilibrium of right range on both ES and Qs and VLC. We have SMT right now at lows. So it doesn't mean like I'm bullish or something like that. I want to see pullback now. Like part of me, guys, I would say 60% of me wants to short today. No. I have with TradingView, I have 150K accounts. With Lucid, I have 50K accounts. Which one is easier because it's pretty much similar to each other, right? So I would say Lucid 50K is easier for me. Easier to build the buffer, easier to make payouts. It's my personal opinion. So next time, let's say if something happens and I lose my accounts, I will get 50K. 150K is patient straight to funded. So basically, what happens? Once you buy your let's say 150K straight to funded account, no matter what, if it's Lucid or TradingView, they are all the same. It starts the same. So basically, you need to pass evaluation. So in order to request your first payout, you need to make $9,000. It doesn't matter if it's Lucid or TradingView for 150K, it's gonna be like that. And you're gonna have 20% consistency rule on first payout on TradingView. On Lucid, it's gonna be always 20%. So, and compare with 50K. So in order to request your first payout in your 50K straight to fund account, you need to make $3,000. Which one is better, $3,000 or $9,000? Of course, payout cap gonna be different, but difference in payout, in payout cap, $1,000. So, I mean, let's be honest, 50K will be easier. Not that huge difference, once again, in payout cap. Guys, I guess 90% of people hate August, including me. Equilibrium for what? For Friday range? Entire daily candle. So it was really hard to explain, when you write indicators, it really was hard to explain the range between midnight to midnight. Maybe I'm stupid, but it's just daily candle range. Daily candle. 25K, you know what? I never tried 25K. What is the payout cap on 1,500? On first payout? Just asking that because I never tried. 1,000 or 1,500? 1,000? No, you know what? It's kind of a big difference. Well, guys, no, I'm not gonna get 25K. With 5 accounts, 5,000. No, I would trust to stick to 50K, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, trading was difficult. But once again, I remember last year and 2 years ago, it was kind of the same, so. For Sean, you're asking, can you rephrase your question? What is your math? Because I don't think I understand this. Sorry, guys. Because for equilibrium of previous daily range, it's basically measures... Oh, settings. Why I keep reading swings? Oh, it's okay. For equilibrium of previous daily range, it's gonna measure entire daily candle. From high to low, from low to high, 50% gonna be the same. For equilibrium of previous weekly range, it's gonna measure entire weekly range, weekly candle, right? For monthly range, monthly candle. You know, guys, I'm gonna post all settings in Discord, I guess. It's gonna be easier, so let's just don't waste time on this now, okay? I'm gonna post all settings in Discord. They'll explain everything. Well, guys, while we're waiting for market to open, let's hit the like button, share the stream, and subscribe. It's free. Alright, let's start Monday with some smile and some likes. In order to enter giveaway, I'm gonna send link in the chat. It's funded.now/giveaways. Ow. Today gonna be basically big giveaway. I call this big because I'm giving away 150K accounts. 8 minutes to go. Yes, my friends. Let's see if you're gonna get minor pullback up. And guys, once again, 60% of me wants to short today. Yeah. Would like to short to gap on SPX. Let's try to bring my evaluations accounts. Let's judge. Let's rescue them because once again, if you just joined, I talk about this. My vals $900 away from blowing them, pretty much all of them. And funny to say because one of them, like 5 of them were 150k accounts and 20 Apex vals. So we are like between $900 and $1,100 away from blowing. I mean, once again, we still can survive, right? Yeah, so economic calendar. At least we're gonna have news. So let's try to bring them up somehow. So maybe I will start my day with trading evals, guys, and I'm gonna trade all evaluations. Once again, I'm always transparent about this. I'm this month and like entire like summer, I'm super green on my Funnel accounts, which is good. June, July, they were perfect for me. August, I'm green as well. Last week ended up being pretty much big green day week for me on Funnel accounts. But you know, guys, I tried to pass some evals and I have really hard time. I cannot explain why, just because. Once again, we still like alive, but $900 away from blowing. Not going to full port them. That's what I'm gonna say. We'll try to bring them up today. So, guys, I think I'm gonna start trading evals today first. It doesn't mean I'm gonna take stupid setups. I don't want to take stupid setups because like we're like close to blow them. No, our goal is to bring them up and actually pass. Because I feel bad for my money that I'm wasting on these evaluations. I was checking Tap. I had an account with TapStep 2 years ago. When they stopped doing like trader weight, I stopped trading with them. My account was closed due to inactivity. It was 2 years ago, like long time ago. Yesterday I checked TapStep website. I was trying to find TapStep 3K challenge. How to find this? I didn't find this on the website, or maybe I'm doing something wrong. The worst trader. What are you talking about? It's lab. Can someone send me link? TapStep lab, okay. Because I see like lots of people talking about this, and maybe it's not expensive, so. Oh, I see. Because it's not expensive and it's actually interesting. You need to pass your wall twice, right? I'm gonna get sold out. You think I need to buy? Because I was watching this yesterday, like was wondering if I should get this. Because I like an app. How many accounts I can have? 5? How many of them I can have? Who knows? Who tried? 3K challenge. 3K. Yeah. Nice option. Funded 5. Okay, interesting. So I saw this yesterday and I was like, you know what? I really like interested in this. Looks good. And it's not expensive. Yeah, I will look at this offer. Who tried, guys? Who got payout? I believe we don't have consistency, right? Which is good as well. Did anyone try this already? Because I see lots of like posts on Twitter, but I didn't see like people talking about payouts. Yeah, it's like $49. I saw. So guys, I'm waiting for market to open, waiting for minor pullback, and might try to short, I guess. It's finished? Are you kidding me? I don't have account on this. Okay. I will check this out. Possible game plan. Okay, Sean. Once again, I'm not going to stick to my bias today because I simply don't have bias. But maybe something like this. As long as we're expecting like weekly, it could be the range between weekly open and equilibrium Friday range. I'm gonna look for shorts to previous weekly level. Once again, it doesn't mean like I'm bearish. I seriously like don't have bias for today. I will be flexible. 60% of me wants to short today. Okay? That's only like plan I have. Sold out. Oh no. Like only like David decided to try them, like, and it's sold out. Which plan do you like? Like, guys, I trade mostly with Take Profit Trader, Apex, Lucid, Tradify. But can you recommend something? I'm gonna start trading. Okay, I'm gonna start trading funded seeds next week. So we're trading below New York midnight open. Still, I hope it's not gonna sell just yet. But my idea is to short to gap. Oh, actually, never mind. It just drops there. God, are you kidding me? Alpha Futures does not have trade await anymore. It doesn't work for me. Hey, stop lagging. I need to charge my laptop. So funded seed's gonna be my next prop firm. Like maybe I don't know any. You can recommend something. So we're going to the gap here. Hope it's not gonna drop without me. Funny how people react when I like when I'm transparent saying like, guys, I keep like I am blowing my avals. People call me like worst trader. When I showing like good days, they keep saying like you like scammer, you don't show bad days. People, are you crazy? I could simply hide the fact like I'm about to blow walls. And people would think like, like she's super profitable, she doesn't blow accounts, but I'm always transparent about this. And still I'm scammer somehow. All right, guys, I got it. Let me move distance from chart candles. Let's do 15 or 14 because it overlaps my. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, guys, we're trying to retrace here. Nice. We're still trying to trade below New York midnight open. Once again, I wouldn't mind to get pulled back up to equilibrium of previous daily range first on yes, and maybe on in Q, and then we'll try to short. Yeah, Sean, I know. It's just interesting. The only scam is Kiwi, right? Well, guys, once again, on Friday, we were trying to short, like, yes, I'm gonna say this. We were trying to short at the low of the day on SPX. And we were trying to short, honestly, we were trying to short to 25% of this gap. So our short from Friday it wasn't perfect, I know. I don't remember we put our stop loss. Like, no idea. I believe it was this, right? I mean, obviously I stopped out. So right now we retraced to OT of Friday gap. Let's see if we're gonna get pullback now from OT. We call this delayed delivery, right? So I'm looking for, oops, guys, sorry. I'm looking for something like that now. That's my plan. Yeah, you're right, guys. I just like my brain just diffused to understand this. You done today? I'm not yet. But go, guys, I'm gonna like really try to bring my walls up again. So once again, we hit OT of Friday RTH gap. What I'm watching now, I'm watching for the action up to this gap. If not like OT at least 25%, it'll be nice to see. It's Russian accent, yeah. Oh, yeah, sure. 1 second. I'm gonna put this. I'm so sorry about this. I'm gonna. Is it better? Sorry about this. I keep forgetting to change position for my watermark. All right, let's see if we're gonna get pullback because we got straight down so far. Don't want to see it drop into previous weekly low level just yet. I believe it's daily fair value gap, if I'm not mistaken. No, it's basically an overlap between two gaps. Oops. Need to get pullback soon first. Okay, waiting for pullback to gap first, guys. Then we'll see. Good morning, guys. Hello, good morning, guys. Hello, hello. Let's see if it was Judah swing. Good morning, good morning. Once again, ideal scenario for me, reaction from OT of Friday gap to current gap. Okay. Gold wants to hit, actually I did. Never mind, it just did hit for standard deviation. Nice. Gold was nice last week. On high time frame it wasn't that hard to trade, but on low time frame, questionable. Let me close the door a bit. Cold. Let's see if they really wants to get offer pullback now. So we just hit 70.5% from Friday gap. Seems like they're in rush now. Because see how it stayed below New York midnight open on both ES and NQ. It's definitely bearish signal. I will wait for 10 a.m. If it's not gonna happen, like if this trade is not gonna happen now, I will not trade before 10. It really wants to short today from somewhere from here, like 76.90 or so, to previous weekly level. But once again, seems like market has different plans. Like ideal scenario on SPX chart. I was born and raised in Belarus, but I live in US. Brr. Need to decrease up now. I'm kind of cold. Let me bring my blanket. Way better. So chilling just for now. Still, yes, guys, if it could offer something like that, it could be textbook. Let's see if it's gonna be 2-minute OB. Keep waiting. I don't like anything yet. Yeah, I think we can expect some bullishness above 50%, above low of previous 3-minute candle. Only. Yeah, it's in rush right now to hit previous weekly level without us. I mean, it's okay. It's okay. I want to see 76.23 on SPX. On SPX. Okay. I've been a bit disappointed because it's dropping without us, but okay, gonna wait. About to feel completely capped from Friday. Gold just hit level I wanted to see, which was 47.38. We just hit this. So I would like to get some chop or pull back to downside. Market like it. I'm not in a rush. If nothing, then nothing. Our Friday target was 25% of, I believe it was from August 4th. Yeah, August 4th. What the heck this drop is like? 30-minute candle also looks crazy. We dropped almost 30 points on ES. And we dropped like 300. How many points we actually drop? 250 points on MQ. That's a lot. Nice. Okay, just hit previous weekly low level. How nice is this? How nice is this? Still have room to go lower. MQ wants to hit equilibrium of July range at 28,877. That's going to be target. Needs to get some sort of pullback. I think I deleted this level from my ES chart. Oops. I want to see 76.40. It was target like on Friday. Nothing changed since then. But needs to get pullback. Target on SPX will be 76.23. Yeah, I believe asking for retracement to 76.87 is just too much, I guess. I'm not in a rush, so nothing for me yet. Logically makes sense to retrace here, but once again, market and logic, I think they're not friends anymore. Okay, we just inverted this. Actually, nope. Not inversion here. Looking for 2-minute OB maybe. Shift in structure. Closure above this flat candle on 2-minute chart on SPX. Then I would expect to get delivery all the way up to 62% or 75% of RTH gap on SPX. We need to get the action now, and preferably doing like this macro, 950 macro. Basically, last 10 minutes before 4 candle closure and early candle closure. We just hit my key area on NQ. Even if it's not enough yet for us, we still want to see lower, we need to get pullback now. Let's see if SPX will offer 2-minute change in the state of delivery. I really want to see higher now. Not that much though. I just would like to see we trading back to this gap. No. Still bearish on both ES and NQ. Nothing changed. Except this flat candle over here and trying to react. Nothing changed. Still, still flat. Still don't like it, but definitely not bullish sign here. I'm bearish for the day. Still want to sell over. Just trying to find good entry for this. I will obviously trade inside for a bullish trend. But as you can see, we're still respecting this move here. So this trend line here. I know I'm kind of bullish on oil on high time frame, which makes me feel like, you know what, I want to see some bearish move on indices this week or next week. But it's really tough to engage in shorts. Okay, you're waiting. Guys, long, short, are you in trade? I like nothing yet. Really like no desire even to try something here yet. Still bearish in my opinion. But once again, kind of hard to engage. Yeah, still wait. Like seriously, not like I like nothing yet. Once again, I'm looking for 28,877 on NQ. It's 80 points lower. But the problem is this minor pullbacks. Minor pullback continues lower. Minor pullback continues lower. Feels like, like not enough. What do you have at 767? Because seems like my next target is gonna be, if it's no reaction from equilibrium of July range, I want to see monthly open. Now I hope it's gonna retrace up. You know, in general, this month is kind of choppy, and consolidation. Session consolidation is every single day. But yeah, ES still has room to go lower. ES has big room to go lower. Let me check 15-minute chart. On ES. 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart seems like it wants to retrace up now. Just looking at 5-minute chart. Hope it's gonna offer this pullback. I really want to see SPX trade into the gap. If not 62%, at least 25%. It will be enough. Three-minute chart. Okay. You really need to get the closure above this blue line on 2-minute chart first. Yeah, Robert, I want to see... let me let you know exact price. I want to see AS going to 76.38. It's gonna be my target for shorts. I just don't like it for short yet. So ideal scenario we trade into the gap on SPX. I'm trying to short, and I'm not sure exact level here, to be honest. Maybe something like that, but I'm no reason to put limit orders. Good morning, guys. I'm not risking my money today as well. I'm trading vals. We need to blend them up somehow, because I'm like really close to blow them. I already said, like, today I'm gonna trade evaluations, because I don't have bias today. Like, seriously, it's beginning of the week, so no reason for me. Hope before 10 is gonna bounce, or 10.05 we're gonna get move higher for manipulation up. Then something like that. Sorry, guys. No closure yet. No closure yet. Keep waiting. Yeah, we're gonna wait for 10. This SMT at loss? You know what? I kind of feel like we're still bearish, so I'm gonna completely ignore SMT at loss. But yeah, for pullback, for retracement up, let's do this. Let's retrace up using SMT. Not gonna force any trades today. I was born and raised in Belarus, guys, but I don't live in Belarus, I don't live in Russia, I don't live in Ukraine, I live in US and Florida. And nothing. Okay. Don't be sad, it's good money, it's nice base hit, it's just no reason to think about this because this already happened. You cannot bring this back, you cannot go to the past to change something. Just focus on the future, focus on future trades. $350, $1,000, it's green is green, right? Amelia, you know what to do, right? Let's try to learn from our mistake. No trades yet. No. I'm looking for pullback up now, like really looking for a retracement to around like 76.85 on ES. Would like to see like retracing to the gap on SPX, but so choppy now. Yeah, exactly. My background history, like maybe somewhere there. I'm Dasha. I'm not LumiTraders. My name is Dasha. I'm from Belarus. Yes, it's a Russian accent. I live in South Florida. I used to live in Melbourne, by the way. Melbourne, Florida. It's like Central Florida, Space Coast for 3 years. Lumi is my trading name, not real name. Okay, it's 10. Market's super slow now. Like, we get a nice expansion at the open, like every single day this month. And then chop, like, the rest of IM session. Like 3-4 hours of a chop. I love this name. I love this name as well. Feed on my chart. Go to funded.now/lessons. I'm gonna send link for my lesson how I use. I'm gonna send actually 2 links for FIP levels. 1 and 2. First lesson is gonna be about SPX, how you trade SPX. Here's optimal trade entry. In other words, OTE. Link in the chat. Would you ever do? By OF, you mean order flow? Definitely order flow, right? That's funny. No order flow here. Damn, that's funny, guys. Hey, Barbara, how are you? Yeah, we'll try to look for short entry from here. Like somewhere from here. Let me delete the circle. Enough of the circle on my chart. So we're looking for trade on ES. We just use cash index sometimes to validate the trade. What is other OF? I don't know, like only finance, as Daniel said. I don't know. So we keep trading below 10 a.m. open. And it just opened. I'm looking for shorts today, and once again, 60% of me bearish today. But the problem is it's really hard to find good entry right now for short. So not on rush. Only funded, exactly. Exactly, guys. Yeah, pretty much 30-minute chart, hourly chart, guys, even 4 chart. They British. You know what? Let's see if we're gonna get the closure here. Maybe we don't need to SPX gap at this point. Because if you're gonna get the closure, I think we're gonna get this one, guys. And maybe we'll trade funded actually for this trade. Let me connect my funded TradingView accounts. Is it 3-minute chart? Yeah, let's see if you're gonna get 3-minute OB. I will try this one. 10 points, 5 micros. $2.5R. Let's see. We need to get what I'm looking at now. I'm looking at 2 scenarios here. First scenario, we're gonna get we just got 15-minute sweep. We're gonna get 3-minute OB and we'll try to short. Another scenario, we're not going to get 3-minute order block. Like, it's not gonna happen. I mean, perfectly fine. We will wait for SPX to bounce to 25% and then we will try to short. Let's see. We'll trade 5 micros on this try. Yeah, seems like stop loss is 10 points. By the way, guys, did you see we have nano contracts now? Like, we barely have volumes there yet, but nano contracts is like basically out. We have this option already. I'm not sure about commission, didn't check this yet. We barely have volume once again. Robert, you trying to short here? Or you want to wait for more confirmation? We don't have confirmation yet. Let's see, 5 seconds left on this candle. Not valid yet. Unless we're gonna get displacement below this blue line. It's gonna be a trade on MES, micro ES chart. Let's see if we're gonna get the closure. At least displacement, because like candle just opened. Quick check on SPX. Ugly. Yeah, let's see. Trying to displace him. I may actually give this a try. Which time frame is this? 3-minute chart. Let me compare with my MES chart. 1 second. No closures there as well. Yeah, if it's displaced, I will try without waiting for the closure. Once again, 2 scenarios here. We're getting 15-minute sweep. We just got this 3-minute OB or displacing below sequence of up close candles. I'm trying to short with stop loss above the swing high and aiming for 76.38. Another scenario, we're not going to get any displacement. We're not going to get any closures. We're tracing to New York midnight open equilibrium Friday range, offering exactly the same structure. 3-minute OB, 5-minute OB, I'm in short. Target gonna be the same. Okay, minute left on this candle. Once again, I will trade 5 micro contracts. So don't want to risk a lot. It's gonna be around like $260 risk or so. Let's see. Are you in trade? No, I am not yet. About to enter though. $20 seconds left. Come on. I like this displacement, by the way. 17 seconds left. Good displacement here. 8 seconds left. I hope it's gonna close. I like it. I think I want to try. quick check on 5. I mean, it looks promising. I probably will give this a try. Well, we got the closure. It's basically validation for me. Let's try, I guess. Not going to risk a lot, though. Honestly, looks good. Yeah, 3-minute OBS here. 2-minute OBS here. 5-minute a nice displacement here. Nice reaction from 10 AM open. I mean, kind of worth to try, I guess. Let me check 15-minute chart. Nice reaction from 15-minute fair value gap. Holding consolidation. We got OB retracement to 50% of this consolidation. Possible expansion. I know, guys, looks solid to give this a try, I guess. This is like second scenario. Let's see. In Q kind of like so, I'm not going to lie, but we broke 50% of this range. I don't like it. Need to try, I guess. I guess, you guys, we need to just try this one. Signal says here. Let's try. First try. Just entered. So something like this. I mean, I know, guys, just feel like it's worth to try. Trading my TradingView accounts. Lightning funded. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. We will see how it goes, but... Oh, sorry, guys. Why not to try? Stop loss. I said this is zinc high, but... I mean, yeah. Let's try to find, like, some partial levels. If partial makes any sense. 49. Maybe 49. Did I try this right? I think so. Oh, actually I entered 6 micros instead of 5. Damn, Dasha. Say you tired without saying you tired. God. Oh, see it extended? What did I do? 1 second, need to check this. What did I press? No, I need to figure this out now. How I extended this line? Okay, guys, let's sit in this trade. Worst to try. This one is solid try. We have second plan in case like we're wrong, but worth to try. Still trading below 10 AM open, so you guys. Way below New York midnight open and 9:30 AM open. What I wanted to do, 1 second. Are we doing good? Not that yet. Mm-hmm. Hi. Close it. Close it. Sorry, my husband. Constant talk. How to do this? I know. What a chap. Just in case this attempt fails, I will try this one. I don't see any news right now. I just opened my financial juice. Ah, okay. Exist? Exist? Are you kidding me? I'm just putting random name on a financial juice. Just guys, really random name and it already exists. Are you kidding me? And nothing. On NQ looks like a shit now. I'm not gonna lie. $76.51 will be my partial level. So basically we have at 50 we have sell side, but 76.59 is more like equal bodies on ours. I'm gonna show you now. See? Like equal bodies here. I treat this as equal lows most of the time. And what is my model? This month, like this month in August. Like specifically for August, I have special model, guys. Like listen careful, take notes now. It's special model for August only. Are you ready for this? It's like secrets, guys. No one shares it before. We enter and pray. That's it. That's our secret strategy for August only. It works only like 20 days a year. We enter and pray. The Alga boys. You know, I was trying to protect you, defend you on NinjaTrader, and you talking shit about me? I mean, I was really trying. I was really trying to like love you, but my friend, I'm so sorry about this. We could be good friends, but not anymore. Guys, it's August. I banned him, don't worry about this. Oh, damn, guys. Well, enter and pray doesn't work, unfortunately. Seems like, oops, I broke my whoop band. Great strategy, guys. I mean, doesn't really work this month, but we're trying. Doesn't really work well this month. But we're trying. Well, market makers, what about stop this job? My goal this month is survive without blowing accounts. Sorry, guys. Yeah, Mexican dance. We just enter and pray nowadays because last 2 weeks our trading wasn't perfect, if I can say this. So we're just trying to survive in this like ugly price action. Actually, that's slightly higher over here. Market has different plans for us. But we have plan B, just in case like we are wrong. An MT5, I have no idea. Yeah, Mexican dance, I'm not gonna lie. Starting last week, I kind of feel lost in this price action. Like every single day I open charts and I have no idea where market is going. Like no jokes, guys. I have no idea where market is going every single day. And trading is hard. Same happened with me on Friday. I deleted this already. Yeah, on Friday I was trying to short to, I guess it's an SPX. On Friday I was trying to short SPX. I mean, just it is what it is. Right now something happens. Something similar happens. To KFC, yeah. Time to apply for McDonald's. Because guys, it's hard. Can someone send me application, please? We need some money on evaluation. Yeah, you know, guys, maybe you see longs. That's nice. What I'm trying to say, if I see confirmation for shorts, I'm gonna engage in shorts. Like I can take my stop loss and I will be like just okay with this. But when I see nothing tells me too long, and once again, I'm not like 100% bearish today, but I expect to get pullback, but nothing tells me too long this yet. I mean, definitely pullback can happen, but I don't want to engage in this pullback to gap on SPX. I mean, I'm fine. I don't see validation of longs just yet. No reason to close short as well. I mean, once again, my stop loss is set. If I'm wrong, I'm gonna get my stop loss and just walk away. Guys, look at this like this. So if you see your trade idea is here, your model is here, you put in stop loss at the place where your trade idea will be invalidated, where most likely will continue going higher. You put in your targets where you anticipate to get reaction. For example, anticipate to get reaction from 76.51, anticipate to get reaction from 76.40, and so I put my stop loss where I expect to see shorts will fail. And I put my targets where I expect to get a reaction. And when I enter the trade, I'm ready to lose. It's basically accepting the risk, right? So just let it run. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. It's fine. Shit happens. Who are we to give up, right? But for example, if you see shorts, I see longs, or you see longs, I see shorts, don't listen to me. Enter your setup. I'm same trader as you. I'm not better than you, trust me. I see same candlesticks, I see same, move to the right. Just don't listen to me if you see longs. I see shorts. Personal life? Not bad, not bad. As always, I would say nothing new. Not pregnant. Fortunately, not pregnant. That's the most important part of my life. No, not yet. I'm not gonna be pregnant anymore. Because we trade different strategies. For some people it's long, for some people it's short, for some people it's nothing. Just chill here, no trades. Never say never. No, I'm gonna say never. I'm a child free with 2 kids, guys. Oh. I know, I know what is this, but last couple of days, when I open this social media, I see pregnant women all the time. Pregnant woman. I said to my husband, I'm pregnant. I'm why? Why Instagram algorithm thinks I need to know about this? I need to see this. I would what kind of sign is that? No, guys, seriously, I'm done. I know, some people trying to get kids, and it's really hard for them. I have 2 kids, healthy kids. That's thanks God for this. But guys, I'm done. I really had 2 difficult pregnancies. I had postpartum depression twice. I know how hard it is, so I'm done. I'm done with this. Enough. One is listening to you. Yeah, that's basically true. My husband I guess he wants another kid, but I said without me, my friend, without me, I'm not gonna participate in this anymore. Trader, I have 2 boys. I mean, Nathan sometimes watching like how I trade when I'm off stream. He's saying like, I'm asking Nathan like, how do you think, are we going up or down? He's saying like up. Why? Because down. Don't give him ideas. 2 girls. I have 2 boys. I cannot imagine myself as mom of girl. Like, my husband actually watching us, I guess, now. Jokes aside, where are we going? So guys, as you can see, I want to partial at 1 hour. I want to do this for a reason. It's my base hits now. In this chart, I will try to lock some profit at 1 hour and say thanks God for this. What's the secret to having a boy? I mean, like, I didn't choose this. He's watching me and Amas. He was watching like woman hours as well. We have a girl. I have no idea like how to make a boy. He's shy. Like, I mean, I was asking like, go and say hi. He's saying hi, but he doesn't want to appear on stream. Yeah, it doesn't matter, girl or boy. Thanks for any gender. Boy or girl doesn't really matter. And I don't know what to expect. That shop is crazy. We're still holding below 10 AM open only, yes, but at the same time, NQ just broke above this level. Honestly, I don't know. I don't know, guys. We may go to RTH gap on SPX, probably first, but I don't know, we will see. If so, I mean, I will take another shot here, over here. So nail appointment is gonna be September 2nd. It's gonna be new nail September 2nd. I want to do like my hair done, but damn, it's like 4 hours appointment. I need to find the time for this. Because of school, it's really hard for now. I mean, I need to talk with my husband because it's time to like for hair done to be done, right? Refresh my blonde. Black nails. Oh god. No, I used to like do like bright colors, but I feel like I old enough for bright colors. But this pink, like for this pink color, I'm young enough. It must be like, you know, like it's yellow. It's not white, by the way. Yellow like this, you know, buttered yellow. It needs to be like French tips, something like that. I didn't see Rebecca nails. Oh god, Market, what you trying to do? Like, tell me please. We want to understand that. I feel like it wants SPX gap. Because if so, like, really can give the second try from here. You say it. What did you say? With SPX calls. Tough to long this. Got maybe another leg up, I think so. I know, initially look good. Nice reaction from 15-minute fair value gap, nice 15-minute sweep, nice 3-minute OBS confirmation, nice break below 10 AM open, nice reaction from consolidation here. I mean, initially short look good. I mean, it still looks good. We have 30-minute fair value gap. Maybe price wants to go there. Maybe price wants to test 50% of hourly order block. But I know it still looks good. Like, jokes aside, I would take this trade over and over again. I'm not gonna cut this. We have 15-minute liquidity sweep. We have 3-minute OB. So let's see if this one gonna be protected. Yes or no? If so, like, I expect to get SPX bouncing to OT. If not, then, I mean, we will see. We'll just wait, I guess. Maybe I will wait for lunch. Maybe. Because I don't know what kind of reaction I want to get here. I want to get immediate reaction from 25%, or I want to get reaction from OT. So that will be my question. But if you're gonna get reaction, it's gonna be my second try from here. And okay, let's see. Probably it's gonna be stop. It's gonna be stop. But once again, once you're taking this high, obviously it's invalidation of shorts. In short-term perspective, I want to see higher. I want to see the test of, only yes, it's going to be test of New York midnight open or equilibrium of previous daily range level. So really above this high, I want to see bounce, which I'm not going to take, but I really want to get this one all the way up to 70. What's the price? 76.87 or so. The problem is with trading above 10 AM open. It's for sure a problem. Sorry, guys. Because break above this level means like it truly wants to manipulate up first. Once again, depends how this fire candle wants to look, right? Didn't have SMT at low, so I mean on this current fire candle low. Yeah, but looking at this structure, trying to stay above 50% of this week, definitely not great. But at the same time, it's great because we can bounce to OT of this gap, which was our original plan. Interesting what lunch will offer. Because I'm gonna stream PM session with Amas on Tradify TV. So we'll trade there. I know. Let's see if it wants to hold this higher break above. We will see. MNQ short 021. Yeah, I guess everyone took same trade, but on different assets. Make sure, like, when you enter GIO in my website, you will see like small options there, restricted countries. Go to this list and check if your country is in the restricted list or not. I believe for Lucid, your country is in the restricted list. Mexican dance. We will try. Give it time in 10 minutes, guys. Give it time will be in 10 minutes. I'm gonna send link now. Link in the chat. Let me refresh this one, kind of lagging. Okay, that's weird. Two-minute order block on SPX offered on 3-minute chart. No, 2-minute, 3-minute order block. Why I keep saying 2? On 2-minute, we got a long time ago over here. Retraced to 50%, actually close below this level. But still, we got 2-minute mobility. I think it wants to hit this OT first. Okay, stopped out here. I mean, guys, I have zero desire to keep trading, honestly. Because I have no idea where it is going. Okay, let's back on charts. Loss after loss. That's crazy. Sorry, guys. Okay, I'm gonna wait, I guess now. I'm not going to like look for any setups. And I think I want to wait for, I don't know, guys, probably for lunch. What I want to do, was it this one? Nope. Sorry, guys. Yeah. Okay, keep waiting then. Not going to engage. I don't like anything now. It's fine. It's fine, guys. You know, it's fine. Still happy. But let's try it here. I mean, it looked good at the beginning, you know. Three-minute OB, 15-minute sweep reaction from 15-minute fair value gap. It looked like nice continuation setup, right? Not in hindsight. Okay, let's wait. I'm gonna switch on SPX. Truly believe SPX wants to go higher. I mean, timing was okay. Everything, in my opinion, it was okay. Just it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. Let's see if we're gonna hit OT first. Another 20-minute sweep. Still trading way below New York midnight open and NTM open. I know it's still bearish to me. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe. But kind of bearish to me. Not going to be in rush. Let's see. Because I want to stay bearish below 10 AM open. We'll do giveaway soon, guys. Yeah, 10.50, 10.55. You have time to enter, though. I'm done 350, by the way. 340, but after commission, crazy commission, 350. On 5 accounts. I think I want to look for shorts from 87. On ES. No rush. Shorts below 10 AM open only, in my opinion. Don't short above 10 AM open. Vital mistake. Crazy. That's crazy. Price action looks really similar to Friday. Okay. All right. I mean, we will re-enter below 10 AM open. Who are we to give up, but... Need to be careful. The SPX looks super stupid now. I don't know. It looks bad. Oil at support right now. Let's see how oil will respect this support level. If so, like we can get bounce on oil and a rejection on ES and NQ. Still above 10 AM open is still bullish. What a chop. Come on, August. I mean, you can do better. Come on. Guys, while we're waiting for second trade, once again, we're not in a rush. Let's hit the like button and subscribe. I'm here every single day showing ups and downs. More downs now, but it's like, it's okay. We'll back soon. We will back soon. So I traded only one prop firm. So I know like when I need to trade all prop firms, when I need to trade just one. It's almost over, yeah. Finally. Yeah, we'll be perfectly fine. Our goal is to survive without blowing accounts. Damn, this market is wild. But still short-term bullish because we hold in 10 a.m. open. We'll do giveaway, guys, in 5 minutes. Okay. Yeah, guys, we're all the same. We're swimming in the same shit pool, right? So, guys, I said we're all the same, right? I'm same trader as you, like same human. 2 eyes, 2 hands, and fingers. Yeah, I said before, it looks like similar to Friday price action. I'm not gonna be in rush now, like seriously. We'll do giveaway. I'm gonna steam today at 12:30, and I think we're gonna look for setup there. I have zero desire right now to even try to recover the loss. Zero. Negative. Negative. Okay. Guys, everyone entered giveaway. Trying to break NQ so strong now, so I really want to be careful. Blue magnet, we not try to put any magnets. Okay. Alright, guys. Let's do giveaway. Time for a giveaway. Because market just like, no, I mean, you see, right? You long, good job. Happy for you. Happy not for myself. Today we're doing 150k Lucid Pro accounts. And by the way, guys, quick reminder. Take Profit Trader sale ends tonight. If you want to get 50k accounts or any size accounts, I prefer 50k. Highly recommend to go with 50k. You can get 50% off now and 3 days to pass. So it used to be 5 days, but specifically for this 1 week, it's gonna be end tonight once again. They do 3 days to pass, 50% off on all evaluations with no activation fee. So guys, if you want to try TPT, 50% off, it's really nice sale right now. Nice price for this. Yeah, we're here. Okay. If you want to support the channel, you can use code LUMI to get 50% off, no activation fee, and 3 days to pass. Thank you guys. Once again, sale ends tonight. Don't miss this. So if you're going to get accounts today, your monthly fee gonna be also 50% off, not 30% off, or not like regular price. Second winner, last one by the way for today. Still respect and 10 I'm open. For accounts, guys, I will send you accounts right after stream. Don't blow them, okay? I'm here, I see you. You won 150k Lucid Pro accounts, 1 day to pass, payouts every 3 days. No consistency on evaluation, consistency on funded. Congratulations, winners. I'm gonna send you accounts right after stream. Still supporting 10 I'm open. Damn, this market is kind of jumping. Again. Over and over again. Over and over again. Okay, still above 10 I'm open, guys. Be careful. I mean, good job who is in longs. Be careful who's trying to short. Still. Ding, 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 ding. Oops. I lost my... God. Who's short? I don't know. Not me. Not me anymore. Don't make stupid mistakes, guys. I made this for you. Alrighty. Okay, let's sit here next 10 minutes to find any reaction from 10 a.m. open or OT of the gap. Super slow. How to participate in giveaways. So you will see my chat bot usually sends links. Funded.now/giveaways every 5 minutes, even less. So all you need to do is just fill the form real quick. If it's your first time, don't forget to check your email to confirm, like, you're not bot, you're not scam, you're not going to spam me or something like this. Just confirm your email if it's your first time and you're in. For second time, third time, you do need to confirm your emails. Yeah, you can use comments as well, yes. Exactly. Or this one. See? Thank you. You will see this kind of message. Short lesson. Like super short, guys. Don't give up. We're gonna survive, guys. I'm gonna stream PM on TradingView TV and tomorrow on TradingView TV. Yeah. Okay, let's see what we're gonna get next 10-15 minutes. If nothing, then let's take a break and I'm gonna come back at 12:30. I was looking for shorts. I wasn't short before. As you can see, it didn't work. It didn't end well. So, still believe we have room to go lower. I'm just not sure now if it's gonna happen today simply because it's Monday. Yeah, it's fine, guys. It's fine. I see no shorts now. I see possible continuation higher to OT. So yeah, guys, set alert at New York midnight open and equilibrium of Friday range. I feel we're gonna get reaction from there, which lines up with OT of RTH gap on SPX. Don't chase now, like, seriously, unless you're long. We have Nvidia earnings. It's fine. Yeah, basically, guys, if you want, you can like buy pick accounts. If it's gonna be, I guess TradeC or TradeAway. It's up to you. Yeah, guys. Okay. I mean, I like nothing. I will see on TradingView TV at 12:30 p.m. Check your emails if you want accounts. Once again, don't forget to get take profit traded with 50% off on all accounts. Last day is today. It's gonna end tonight. No activation fee, 3 days to pass. No payout caps. If you want to support the channel, use code LUMI for 50% off on Take Profit Trade, 90% off on Epix, 40% off on TradingView, and 40% off on Lucid Daily. Guys, I will see you today at 12:30. If not today, then tomorrow at 9 a.m. Let's kill this tomorrow. Let's try to kill this tomorrow again. Our goal is to survive. Don't give up. Shit happens. I see nothing good now. I mean, I'm gonna wait for lunch hours to engage. Took small loss. I mean, perfectly fine. See you guys soon. I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna take my coffee. As long as it's above 10 I'm open, just be careful with shorts in this market. Or look for shorts from OT of RTH gap on SPX. Love you guys. Thank you for everything. You're the best. See you soon. Bye, everyone.